Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all doing well. Before we proceed, I want to remind you that there is a giveaway happening on my channel. Make sure not to miss out. Today, we have got something special, a close look at the 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Muscle Machine, as it is a part of the Muscle Machine Release 3 from Maisto. Before we discuss the details, let's unbox it. Let's start with the exterior. It is a full die-cast metal body and which is a beautifully crafted, capturing the essence of 71 Camaro. It has red and black which sports the color of ADVAN racing wheels. It has a touch of classic muscle car style and includes various sponsors. And those massive tires, ADVAN and Yokohama, is written on them. And on the hood, an engine is popping up. Comes with an detailed headlights and taillights. The attention to the detail is impressive. Every curve and the line is faithfully reproduced. And if you want to learn information about ADVAN, check the description below, as they are renowned for their performance, lightweight design, and popularity among the race cars, particularly in Japan. Let's talk about the history of 1971 Chevrolet Camaro. It's a classic American muscle car known for its powerful V8 engine, sleek design, and iconic racing stripes, with its aggressive and roaring exhaust. The Camaro delivers an exhilarating driving experience whether on the track or cruising down the highway. The 1971 Camaro continues to captivate car enthusiasts and collectors alike. Here are the Chevrolet upcoming models. 2024 Silverado EV, an electric version of the popular Silverado truck. 2024 Equinox EV, an electric variant of the Equinox SUV. 2025 Tahoe, a refreshed version of the full-size Tahoe SUV. 2025 Suburban, a refreshed version of the full-size Suburban SUV. These models promise exciting features and innovation for Chevrolet enthusiasts. Chevrolet enthusiasts have much to look forward to in the coming months. This 1:64 scale model is a dream come true, as it's a 3-inch long and it's a perfect addition to any display. Whether you are a die-cast enthusiast or just appreciate the classic muscle cars, the 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Muscle Machine is a must-have. And hit that like button if you enjoyed this unboxing. And don't forget to subscribe. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.